Hello and welcome to this channel. If this is your very first time of stopping by, my name is Sonia. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to revive or revamp your old synthetic wigs. You don't need to throw these things out. I'm going to be showing you how to revive them using just three products. You don't need to have a thong, you don't need to have like a blow dryer, or you don't need to have all these salon appliances. Okay, we're just going to use three products and you will be wild at the results. Just keep watching. I'm going to be using hot water to wash this wig. Okay, not necessarily hot water because I'm going to be diluting this water with cold water. So technically, I'm washing the wig with warm water. Now, the reason for this is because it's going to help to break down oil and dirt that has been accumulated over time. So I'm going to use the Petal shampoo. Petals is actually a very cheap brand. This shampoo should be like 300 to 350 naira. I'm not sure if it is more than 500. Okay, I know it is very affordable. You can also use toilet soap like Premier, Lux, Joy. You can use laundry soap. You can even use detergent. Okay, you don't have any excuse. You can use detergent. Use whatever it is that you have. Just make sure that what you have is able to break down oil. Now you can see that this water is very dirty and it doesn't really have a lot of foam. Like you can't see a lot of lather. This is to show that this wig is actually very dirty. So I'm going to go on ahead and change the water and wash it all over again. Now I'm using this soap to actually show you that yes, you can use soap to wash your wigs and nothing will happen. I mean synthetic wigs. So you can tell that the hair is clean when you notice that there is more foam or lather in the water. You can clearly see that the water is clear, not dirty as the first one. Okay, so yeah, we move on to the second stage. Now, the second stage is the conditioning stage. So what you're going to do is just to rinse out the hair and then you apply conditioner to it. So the conditioner that we're going to be using now is the macadamia oil extract conditioner. This conditioner costs 930 naira and it is actually affordable. The reason why I said it's affordable is because you're not going to be using this conditioner all at once. Okay, it is something that you buy, you keep it, and you keep on using it, and it is not every day that you condition your wigs. So it is going to serve you for a couple of months. So you apply a generous amount of this conditioner to the wigs, massage it thoroughly. Emphasis on the massage. Massage it thoroughly, like thoroughly. And some people would actually put this wig into plastic bag and wait for like a couple of minutes, but I am not about to waste time. Okay, so you just apply the conditioner, make sure you massage it in very well, and then you start tidying stuff. Okay, rinse the back of your conditioner. Just keep things where they are supposed to be. Tidy up, make sure you don't make a mess. Okay, it's advisable that you do this in your bathroom. Okay, just for the purpose of this video, that's why I'm doing it in my room. I would normally do this in the bathroom. So yeah, you comb out this wig like you have to. This is where the bulk of the work is. You comb it out, make sure that everything is detangled. The conditioner is going to do a very good job. It's going to help you to, it's going to make the work easier, and it's going to make the hair not to break off as much as it would. And you need to calm down and comb this hair. Just keep combing, keep brushing, comb away all your sorrows, all the pain, all the heartbreak. Comb it out on this wig. And yeah, I'm going to do the same thing for the second wig. And after that, I'm going to go on and rinse off the conditioner. Rinse it off. Now, when you rinse off this conditioner, you are done with the second stage. and you are one step away from victory. Okay, one step away from victory. Now, after you've washed off this conditioner, you notice that the hair looks shinier and softer and better. Okay, now the third step is the mega growth conditioner. You're going to use the mega growth leave-in conditioner. If you cannot afford that macadamia conditioner that we used first, you can use this mega growth as a leave-in conditioner and a wash-off conditioner. You can use it in the second step. That's what I mean. Instead of using the macadamia one, you can use just this one for the second and the third step. So yeah, apply the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner to it, and we move on to combing and trimming the hair. This is the last thing you need to do. Just comb the hair again and trim off, like the tips of the hair. For the coily one, I'm going to be using a razor blade, and the reason for this is so that it looks natural. The finish looks natural. Like, I'm using a shaving technique to shave it off so that the tips do not look awkward and blunt. Okay, I'm not chopping it off, I'm like shaving off um the excess hair, and you wouldn't even notice that I even trimmed anything off. And it's a win. Okay, with just three products, that is if not even up to 2000 naira, you have revived your old wig. Now this is the hair looking shiny and glowy when wet. All you need to do is to allow this hair to air dry. Allow it to air dry, and you are going to be wowed. So you guys, that is all. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that this is what you were looking for. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment in the comment section telling us if this worked for you or if it did not work. But I bet that this is going to work. And also share this video so that a lot of people can see it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I am going to be seeing you in my next one.